Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the camera app and switching to cinematic mode. Do this now so you can capture depth. Once in cinematic, tap the person, pet, or object you want sharp. That tells the phone where to place focus. Make sure exposure looks right, then position subjects at differing distances for the depth effect to read. You should also choose the lens or zoom level that frames your shot. These first steps set the foundation for believable focus transitions. Once recording starts, you can change focus on the fly by tapping new subjects. This creates a cinematic rack focus that guides the viewer. Make sure to move smoothly and give the camera a second to shift focus. Abrupt moves can look jittery. If lighting stays consistent, lock AE/AF so exposure doesn't jump. You can also slightly move the camera or subjects to accentuate depth. When done, save the clip and prepare to refine focus points in post for a polished look. To finish, review your clip in Photos and use the cinematic editor to change which frames are sharp and tweak the depth slider for subtle blur differences. Export with HEVC for efficient files or choose 4K if you need maximum detail. Make sure to name and back up your final file. If you run into trouble, for example, cinematic won't focus or is overly blurry, restart the camera app, free some storage space, and confirm your iOS is updated before retrying. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.